Example 4.13. Write the Lewis formula for A, methanol, CH3OH, B, BO4 minus ion, and C, carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, so A, CH3OH. We have one carbon. Each carbon has 4 electrons, so that's 4. We have 4 hydrogens total. That's 4. Each hydrogen has 1 electron, so that's a total of 4 electrons. And we have 1 oxygen with 6 electrons, so that's a total of 6. So the total of electrons here is 14. So when we draw out our molecule, we have C, O, and H with 3 H's around C. The 2 electrons, we'll have 2 electrons around carbon, hydrogen, 2 electrons around another carbon, hydrogen, and then another 2 electrons around another carbon, hydrogen, and then 2 electrons between the carbon and oxygen, and 2 between oxygen and hydrogen, and then we'll put the remaining 2 around oxygen. Actually, the remaining 4 around oxygen. So then we get a bond between carbon and 3 hydrogens, a bond between carbon and oxygen, and a bond between oxygen and hydrogen. Part B, BF4 minus, we have 1 boron. A boron has 3 electrons, so it's a total of 3. We have 4 fluorine atoms. Each fluorine has 7 electrons, so that's a total of 28. And then we have a minus charge that we have to add in as 1. So the total there is 3 plus 28 plus 1, which is 32 electrons. So our ion will have boron in the center and 4 fluorines around it, and then we just distribute our 32 electrons around the fluorines. We'll just start with 8 around boron and then the rest around each fluorine, and then we should end up with 32 electrons. A single bond between boron and each fluorine, and then a negative charge. In part C, CO2, we have 1 carbon. Each carbon has 4 electrons, so that's a total of 4. We have 2 oxygens. Each of those has 6 electrons, which is a total of 12, for a sum total of 16 electrons. So carbon is in the middle of CO2. So carbon in the middle, and each side of carbon has an oxygen. So we draw, if we try to draw 4 electrons around carbon and the rest around oxygen, we don't fill up the octet. So to fill up this octet, we need a double bond between carbon and each oxygen, and then each oxygen should have 4 electrons around it.